Not every engineer makes a great engineering manager or a leader. To lead a team of engineers, you must maintain an understanding of the project detail while developing a keen focus on the larger picture. Becoming an engineering manager is about more than earning a degree. It takes applying what you learn to a real world situation. So that's why today, I, Kenneth Davis Mongol, is going to show you on how one may become a successful engineering manager. Engineering managers are trained to use the organizational and analytical skills to lead their teams in variety of complex tasks. Their education and experience provide the foundation for a problem to be solved. But as an individual contributor, your responsibilities are clearly defined. You get to work on time, you are assigned to a certain task, and you're expected to deliver them effectively and efficiently. So, that's why Robert Greitner also indicates at least 3 general preconditions for achieving a lasting success as a manager. But before we proceed to those 3 general preconditions, we must first have a short background of who is Robert Greitner. Robert Greitner is a senior lecturer in the management at Arizona State University. He is a popular speaker who has addressed a diverse array of audience worldwide on the topic including 21st century workplace. Dr. Greitner is the author or co-author of 7 college textbooks that have been through a total of 31 editions since 1975. So, Robert Greitner indicates at least 3 general preconditions for achieving a lasting success as a manager. The first precondition is ability. Ability refers to the capacity of an engineer manager is to achieve organization objective effectively and efficiently. So what is this effectively and efficiently? Efficiently. E. Troy Higgins defines effectiveness and efficiency. According to him, effectiveness refers to the descriptions whether the object accomplished, while efficiency is the description of relative amount of resource used in obtaining the effectiveness. So to illustrate, if the civil engineer was asked by his superior to finish 100-kilometer road cementing project within 8 months, he is said to be effective if he finished the job within the required period. So in other words, if you finish the job within the given period, he or she said to be effective. While on the other hand, his efficiency is measured by the inputs he poured into the project in relation to actual output. If the same output is made with the less input, the more efficient the civil engineer becomes. So in other words, if you finish cementing 100-kilometer road with the less input or the material and labor, you're said to be efficient. Next precondition is motivation to manage. Many people have the desire to work and finish specific tasks assigned by the supervisor, but not many are motivated to manage other people, so they may contribute to the realization of the organization objectives. Motivation helps to bring forth the desire of behavior or response from the employees or certain stakeholders. It is a manager's job to motivate its employees, and you will never ever motivate your employees if you don't have the motivate to manage. The well you motivate yourself and the employees, the bigger the success. And the last precondition, according to Robert Greitner, is opportunity. Successful managers becomes possible if only those having the ability and motivation are given the opportunity to manage. The opportunity for successful management has the 2 requirements. The first requirement is obtaining a sustainable job, and the second is finding a supportive climate on the job. To obtain a sustainable managerial job, an engineering manager should possess a managerial skills. Managerial skills can be defined as a certain attributes or abilities that an executive should possess in order to fulfill a specific task in organization. So, there are wide range of skills management should possess to run organization effectively and efficiently. the following essential management skills that any manager ought to possess for them to perform their duties or planning. Planning is a vital aspect within the organization. Planning one's ability to organize activity in line with the set guidelines while still remaining within the limit of available resources such as time, money, and labor. So remember that without a good plan, little can be achieved. So second is communication. Possessing a great communication skills is crucial for a manager. Clearly established communication allow the manager to collaborate with the team, prevent conflicts, and resolve the issue as they may arise. A manager with a good communication skills can relate with the employees and thus be able to achieve the company's set goals and objective easily. So next is decision making. It is another vital management skills. A manager makes a numerous decision whether knowingly or not, and making a decision is the key component in manager success. Making a proper and right decision results in the success of organization. Next is delegation. Delegation is another key of management skills. Delegation is an act of passing work-related tasks and authorities to the other employees or subordinates. A manager with a good delegation skills is able to effectively and efficiently reassign tasks and give authority to the right employees. Another essential skills is problem solving. It involves identifying a certain problem or situation and find the best way to handle the problem and get the best solution. A good manager must have the ability to tackle and solve frequent problems that may arise in a typical workdays. So the last essential managerial skills is motivating. The ability to motivate is another important skills in organization because this defines as energizing, directing, and sustaining employees' effort. The last requirement for opportunity of successful management is finding a supportive climate once on the job. So supportive climates, or known as communication supportive climates, develop by the degree which people see themselves as valued. Communication climates exist among peoples in all kinds of settings such as homes, like works, office, schools. So the best example of finding a supportive climate is newspaper advertisement. A newspaper advertisement is abound with the needs for engineering manager. It is little difficult to determine if the firms acquiring their service provide a supportive climate for effective and efficient management. So the only thing that hinders you from acquiring the supportive climate is that you don't fully assured whether they give you supportive climates or not. So that ends my discussion on how one may become a successful engineer. Thank you and God bless.